Good morning, everybody. We are coming at you from LEGOLAND Resort. LEGOLAND invited us to check out the hotel. We have no idea what to expect, but we are so excited. Right when you walk in, a dragon greets you, but not just any dragon, a Lego dragon. Look at his tail coming through the top of the roof. There's the dragon again. Check out this lobby. When you check in, there are tiny little Lego figures back here if you look hard enough. And look, a floating man with a surfboard. I don't know his name, but he seems to be having a great time. I love your mustache. It would take me forever to grow a mustache like that. No monkey business at this resort. Hey, no monkeys jumping on the bed.
How'd you get in my room?
So the first room that we are checking out is actually a suite. It's called a pirate suite, and the idea is that you are literally in a pirate ship. You look down below, you see the wooden planks, look at the water down below. It is so cool. The entire idea behind LEGOLAND Resort is the kids take charge here. This room is the kids' room. It has an adults keep out, so no adults allowed. But check this out. This is a note, and on the note it says, "It has been inspected for monsters. This room is monster free." Arg, matey, look at this TV stand. Oh, look, you can even play with these. This suite actually sleeps 9 people, which is pretty insane. Every floor has a different theme. We're currently in the pirate room, so everything is themed towards pirates. But I mean, look at this. You step inside this room and suddenly you are a big kid again. Everything in here is all themed artifacts all around the room. They are all made out of Lego bricks. Doubloons! Message in a bottle. I like that. There's something called the Skyline Lounge, and even the menu looks cool. This is the adults room, and as you can see, it looks almost like the mast of the ship, but look at this bed. It is totally pirate themed. So dads, I know you're secretly gonna love this.
Cannonballs in the wall.
Oh my gosh, I didn't even notice that. And the cannonball is made out of Lego bricks. Possibly the best part of the entire suite. The balcony. To be quite honest, this is a very, very large, spacious balcony. You got a table for all the family stuff and the view. And the best part of all, it's screened in, which means no bugs, which is kind of important in Central Florida. Every room comes with free Legos that you can just build right here. This is all made out of Legos. That is cool. So this is something really cool. Every room comes with a treasure chest. You go around the room finding different hints and different secrets. And once you're completed with the scavenger hunt, you can unlock this box right here. Now, what booty lies beyond this? You'll have to find out when you come here. All right, so Jen, we have to tell them about what?
The s'mores.
Okay, so they have s'mores in these suites. Is that a brick? That looks like a brick. Wow. Okay, that might be the coolest s'mores kit ever. So they do s'mores every single night here, which is really cool. And with the suites, you just get a s'mores kit. By the way, if you don't have a suite, you can purchase a s'mores kit. And we hear they're like less than $10. So it's a pretty good deal. Mini fridge, a little Keurig. It comes with, of course, water and complimentary cider, which is pretty cool. I've never seen that in a hotel. This is the bathroom. It is massive. Oh, there's a Lego mermaid. This bathroom's amazing, huh?
Yeah, well, there's a shower and a bathtub.
Whoa. All right, so this is a room on the adventure floor, and the cool thing about this room is that it has a ton of ancient Egypt artifacts and all sorts. I mean, look at this. I must do this in every room. It's a slithery snake, a Lego scorpion. This is the kids' bunk bed, which is awesome. And as we were told, this room sleeps 6. The kids' experience will always remain the same. The only difference would be the bathroom and the adults' room. Speaking of which, this is the adult room. I love the headboard, hieroglyphics on it, which is pretty cool. This lamp looks like it's made of animal skin. This place is so cool. And if you look out this window, there's a little bit of construction going on over here. This is for the pirate hotel that's coming in 2020. It's called Pirate Island Hotel. And that right there is where we walked in. All right, so we just got annual passes to Legoland. We got the Awesome Pass, which is better than the Awesome Pass. Essentially, it gives us access to Legoland, the Legoland Water Park, Madame Tussauds, which is over by the Icon Orlando, and also Sea Life Orlando. And it even gives us access to the Lego Discovery, what is it? Discovery Center
Atlanta.
Over in Atlanta. So it gives you a lot of stuff with this Awesome Pass. It's gonna be awesome. So Legoland surprised us and gave us these little minifigures, and trust me, Jen definitely knows what these are. These are from the Lego movie, so let's go ahead and open them up and see what we got. Mystery items.
So you're a giraffe. I just want you to know that. This is so cute. You can trade figures through the park. So I'm excited to kind of see that aspect of it, almost like pin trading, but instead you get like the mini figures.
I'm a giraffe Lego man.
That one's mine.
And this is yours. Let's see what you got.
Wait, I want to put yours together. And I got cute. I got somebody actually from the Wizard of Oz. I got the Tin Man. There he is.
All right, so these are the completed things. You actually build them yourself, which is fun, but we got the giraffe and the Tin Man from Wizard of Oz. That was satisfying. Right, we are very tourist. We got our park map. Ba-bam! Actually, that looks like a very large theme park. And it's got the water park in the background. I think I might be most excited for the water park.
I know, yeah.
It's so hot out here. Speaking of minifigures, they have an entire minifigure market.
I want to go make one. So for $10, you can build 3 minifigures.
Oh, you can build your own minifigures.
Yeah.
Look, you put them in their own box and everything. She found the Disney minifigures. Kind of just want this head though. There's a bunch of these Lego plushes. I like the hot dog, but check it out. It's Emmett. Quite the collection of Star Wars Lego clock, Yoda, Stormtrooper, and Lord Vader. And look, they're in this giant Lego. You can even get full-blown costumes here, which is kind of cool. The assortment of Lego masks. This is pretty neat. Look, it's a life-size Emmett and Lucy, all made out of Lego bricks. He's got a pretty sick hairdo. Wonder what kind of product he uses. So we're heading into this Lego factory because we hear they have pass holder magnet. This store is cool. Babe, we can be full-sized bricks.
I want to be Blue Brick.
The coveted Merlin pass holder magnets. So we're getting ready to ride this VR coaster. It's called the Great Lego Race. You can decide whether you want VR or not. Look at the little VR goggles. We just got off of the VR coaster. What do you think?
I liked it.
Yeah, it was different.
Yeah.
It kind of puts you in a different environment.
Yeah.
So whatever you were on, you didn't feel like you're on a roller coaster. It's like you're on a racetrack in the Lego world. And a lot of stuff happens. It turns into an airplane. You start flying. But I will say this, if you are prone to motion sickness, do not wear the VR. It was a little too much for me with the VR headset.
I feel like for a kid that might not like the idea of a roller coaster, like the tick 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 tick, might like the VR better because it does put you in a different world. Like
yeah, it's less open. So we're entering a part of the Legoland which is called Lego Kingdoms. Looks like a giant medieval castle. So we hear that the dragon is a roller coaster. Let's do it. So we may not be able to bring you on the ride, but they do have this pre-roll that shows you what the ride looks like. They also have cameras on the ride. So we just got off of the dragon ride, and actually that was really cool.
I loved it. I loved it.
Yeah, it's kind of similar to the Barnstormer, almost about the same level of intensity, but it has a story behind it, and you have a giant fire-breathing Lego dragon. It's more like a mist, and it feels quite nice. Look at this guy.
This lady.
Oh, it's a lady dragon.
She's a lady.
You are the Lego princess. I, the knight, deem the dragon the most fun ride of the day. We've only ridden 2 rides, but it's been so fun. This is the entrance to the Lego Movie World, which is a brand new land that they added right here in Legoland. It has all to do with the Lego movie. Everything is awesome. So we ended up getting some tacos here at Taco Every Day. This is called a Benny's taco, and this is a Unikitty taco. They are pink and blue, which is really cool. These right here are called the Sopapilla Bites. They are cinnamon, sugar, honey, glazed donut holes, I want to say. First bite of the blue taco, the Benny's. It's amazing. It's really good. It's really good. So we're walking into a place called Pirates Cove. There's a live ski water show. So it's called Battle for Brickbeard's Bounty. And that is Brickbeard right here.
And he smells Brickbeard. When you least expect it, we will return once again.
You look so joyous. I don't think you can ever have a bad day. Good work out there on the water. Hopefully we won't see Brickbeard around here anytime soon.
Hoping not. I have a feeling he's gonna be here at least twice again today.
So that's just about gonna do it for our Legoland tour. Special thank you to Legoland for having us out here. Everything is awesome. Until next time, Maine Mafia, out. Crazy.
Wanna go on the swan boat?
Yeah, I don't see a reason why not.